Indian Railways is an attractive and controlled network that connects the whole country. Railway bridges have served as a transport from one city or province to other cities and provinces for years. These are the bridges that join India together. Goods train and passenger train services continue to run smoothly by these railway bridges even in emergency situations, and this is an important contribution of Indian Railways towards the development of the country. Some bridges on the railway track are very old and have historical importance, while some are new but they also have their own special place. This is the Havelock Bridge on the Godavari River of Andhra Pradesh in the year 1900. It was built for the movement of trains between Howrah and Chennai. Sharavati Bridge, built on the Sharavati River in Karnataka, is the largest railway bridge in the state. The old Pamban Bridge of Indian Railways is the first sea bridge in India. The old Pamban Bridge connects Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu to the mainstream. India's longest rail bridge, Vembanad, connects Edapalli and Vallarpadam in Kochi, Kerala. The second longest railway bridge in India is the Nehru Setu, which is built over the Son River. The Bogibeel Bridge in Assam is a road and rail bridge over the Brahmaputra River between Dhemaji and Dibrugarh districts. Since this is an earthquake-prone area, it has fully welded steel concrete support beams that can withstand earthquakes of up to 7 on the Richter scale. Rajghat Bridge is a double-decker bridge over the river Ganges in Varanasi. It consists of a rail track on the lower deck and a roadway on the upper deck. It is one of the major bridges across the Ganges. Apart from this, in the state of Bihar, Mahatma Gandhi Setu, Munger Setu, Vikramshila Bridge and Sarai Ghat Bridge on River Ganga, and in the state of Gujarat, Golden Bridge and Silver Jubilee Bridge on River Narmada are included in the important railway bridges of the country. Recently, we completed the highest steel arch bridge in the world, built at a height of 359 meters on Chenab River from Jammu to Srinagar. Now, it can be said that if the old railway bridges are the heritage of the country, then the new bridges to be built are no less.